Hello, good morning. Myself, I am BSR Botany lecturer. Today, our topic dihybrid cross. A cross made based on two characters is called dihybrid cross. Whereas in monohybrid cross, it is based on only one character. Here, two characters. What are the two characters? Look at here: seed color and seed shape. Seed color either yellow or green color. Seed shape may be round or wrinkled. So I am taking the two parents. Homozygous parent, this is also homozygous parent. So this is homozygous yellow round dominated parent. This is homozygous green wrinkled recessive parent. So here the alleles are capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Here it is homozygous, that is by small y, small r. You know, the gamete is containing small r alleles. Here the gamete containing capital Y, capital R alleles. When F1 generation, here artificial cross pollination is conducting. These are homozygous self-pollinated plants, but what we are conducting artificial cross-pollination. So that is why the F1 hybrid is always capital Y, capital R, small r. So it is a yellow round. It is yellow round because dominant allele is capital Y, capital R. So that is why they exhibits the character. So all the seeds are in which condition? Yellow round, but internally they contain green wrinkled characters. So that is why when you go to F2 generation, F2 is because of self-pollination. F2 hybrids, sorry, F2 generation, the F2 generation is forming as a result of self-pollination of F1 hybrids. Self-pollination of F1 hybrids. So now F2 generation cross made between, it is a not a artificial cross, it is a self-pollination. It is a self-pollination between F1 hybrid. So capital Y, capital R, small r. This plant is capital Y, capital R, small r. Here the gametes, when you take, observe capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small r. So these are the four types of gametes from this parent. From that parent, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small r. These are the gametes. Here, the gamete, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, when fused, the plant is capital Y, capital R. This is completely homozygous yellow round. This is homozygous yellow round. And here capital R, small r. This is also yellow round. It is also yellow round. And capital Y, capital R. It is also yellow round. And when you go to capital Y, capital R, small r, it is also yellow round. 16 offsprings are forming. In that, how many are yellow round? How many are yellow wrinkled? How many are green round? How many are green wrinkled are forming? Just you observe. So capital Y, capital R, small r means yellow round. Here yellow wrinkled, yellow round, yellow wrinkled, yellow round, yellow round. It is green round, recombinant, and green round, it is also recombinant. Yellow wrinkled also recombinant, yellow wrinkled. Next, this is yellow round, and this one yellow wrinkled, recombinant. Next, this one is green round, recombinant, and finally green wrinkle. It's a dihybrid cross. Out of 16, yellow round you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are yellow round. 9 are yellow round. 9 are yellow round. And recombinants, yellow wrinkled. 1, 2, 3. Yellow wrinkled all 3. Next, green round. 1, 2, 3. Green round. How many are green wrinkled? Only 1. So this is the phenotypic ratio. 9:3:3:1. Whereas monohybrid phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Yellow round seeded plants, how many are forming? 9. Yellow wrinkled 3. Green round 3. And 1 is green wrinkled. So this is the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross. Cross phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. 9 are yellow round, 3 are yellow wrinkled, 3 are green round, 1 is green wrinkled. This is 9:3:3:1. What is the genotypic ratio? Genotypic ratio, when you observe 9 yellow round, yes. So in that 9 yellow round, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, 1. This is capital Y, capital Y, capital R, 1. Next, second one, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. This is the second one. So 1, 2. This is 1. This is ratio 2. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. Then third one, capital Y, small y, capital R, and this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. Capital Y, small y, capital R, So that ratio is 2. And capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. All these are. Look at here. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. All 4. 4 are there. So the ratio 1:2, 2:2, 2:4. Yellow round genotypic ratio is 1:2, 2:2, 2:4. 1 is capital Y, capital Y, capital R. 2 capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. 2 capital Y, small y, capital R. 4 are capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. So that is the genotypic ratio of yellow round. Then you go for yellow wrinkled. Capital Y, yellow, small r, wrinkled. Capital Y, small r. So yellow wrinkled, only 1 is there. Okay, then capital Y, small r. Yellow wrinkled, capital Y, small r. This is second one. And another one is this one. So 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Capital Y, small r, 1. Capital Y, small r, 2. So this ratio is 1:2. Yellow genotypic ratio is 1:2, 2:4. Yellow wrinkled ratio is 1:2. Then you go for green round. So green round, look at here. This is the green round. Small y, capital R is 1. Small y, capital R is 2. So these two. That ratio, green round ratio is 1:2. Finally, green wrinkled is 1. So this is the genotypic ratio 1:2, 2:4, 1:2, 1:2, 1. That is the genotypic ratio. Then when you go for applications, double homozygous, how many are there? Just double homozygous, when they ask, just you draw a line like this. Double homozygous. Only lines. You can calculate easy. Line like this. So left to right. So you look at here. Double homozygous. Capital Y, capital R. And look at here. Capital Y, small r. Double homozygous. Small y, capital R. Small y, small r. So 4 are there. Capital Y, capital R. Capital Y, small r. Small y, capital R. Small y, small r. So double homozygous 4. And you go for double heterozygous. Double heterozygous. So double homozygous, this is the cross. Double heterozygous, you draw cross like this. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. So these are four. Okay, clear. So that is the double homozygous and this is the double heterozygous. Then how many are single homozygous? It means in one character homozygous, in another character heterozygous. For example, you look at here. Capital Y is a homozygous, it is a heterozygous. So how many are there? Capital Y, capital R, small r. 1, 2. 2 are there. Then capital Y, capital R. So look at here. Capital Y, capital R. So how many are there? 2. So this is single homozygous. It means in one character homozygous, in one character heterozygous. Then look at here. Capital Y, small r. So capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y, small r. Capital Y, small y, small r. How many are there? Look at here. This is, so 2 are there. Then small y, capital R, small r. Small y, capital R, small r. So this one 2. So this is in one character homozygous, in another character is heterozygous. Then question, how many phenotypical parents? Phenotypically similar to parents. What are the parents? Yellow round is the parent and green wrinkle is the parent. Correct only na? Yellow round, green wrinkle. Yellow round how many are? 9. Green wrinkled 1. Total 9 plus 1 equal to 10. How many are recombinants? Yellow wrinkled and green round. 3 plus 3, 6. Recombinants are 6. Parental types are 10. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. So then, genotypically parental types. When you observe in the F2 generation, parental types genotypically only 2. Capital Y, capital R, small y, small r. In F2, at the end of the F2, genotypically parental types are only 2. Number of types of gametes are forming in the hybrid, in a cross, in F1 cross. Number of types of genotypes. So F1 cross F2 generation is forming. How many are forming? So look at here. This is one genotype. This is genotype. This is genotype. This is genotype. Like that, here 4 genotypes. Here 2. Here 2. Here 1. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 types of genotypes are formed in the F2 generation. So these are the numericals. More numericals we will discuss in exemplar point of view. Question wise we will discuss later. Thank you to all.